September 13th, 2017, Wednesday. We just had our Samsung dishwasher serviced again today. 3 different tickets. We haven't had a working dishwasher in a month and a half. They said that they've been able to fix the issue, still no refund, so I'm just taking a video of this to show exactly what's happening with our unit. And hopefully someone will be able to help us out or be able to identify this problem. I tried calling Samsung direct, told them, went through the automated system, just automatically hung up on me, did that twice. I'll try calling again, but hopefully we can get this resolved. This unit is not even 5 months old. We got it in April. Started having issues with it at the end of May, which was right outside of the 90-day policy. So, yeah. I'll try giving them a call again, but you can see how much water is coming out.